So 5G Racom actually stands for 5G, for Resilient and Green Rail Communications. And it's defined as an innovative or an innovation project in the field of FRMCS. And it's going to be delivered by the French and German group partners, led by SNCF and DB Netz AG in Germany. And 5G Racom has got two major areas of focus, and we're going to investigate these in the following slides. The first one is the spectrum exploitation, and the second one, which we'll discuss, is the hybrid FRMCS networks. So this particular diagram has been borrowed from the Franco-German ecosystem website, and the link is on a number of slides, and it's worth taking a look at that particular website. There's some very useful information to be had. But the actual project structure is divided into a number of WPs, and WP just escapes me for the moment. Working Party, I think, is the abbreviation, and there are four work parties. Work Party 1 is looking at or defining the use cases. It's specifying the requirements of the project, and it's looking at the assumptions to be made. And this particular work part is led by Deutsche Bahn and an SNCF. Work Party number 2 is looking at spectrum exploitation, and that's then divided into two parts. The WP 2.1 looking at channel modeling, and that's being led by SNCF. And WP 2.2 is looking at the coexistence of FRMCS with GSM-R in terms of the actual radio spectrum, and that's been led by Contron in France. Work Party number 3 at the bottom is looking at the hybrid FRMCS networks. That's led by Deutsche Bahn, and we'll take a little look at what's involved towards the end of this presentation. At the end, we got WP4, and they're looking at the actual project coordination and ultimately the actual dissemination of the information that's been learned. So the project kickoff took place at Deutsche Bahn Netz AG headquarters in Frankfurt back in January of 2022, and the project will run for about 3 years and should come to a conclusion by the end of next year.